Have you ever found it hard to truly express yourself in a foreign language? It can be frustrating when words fall short. But what if there was a way to bridge that gap effortlessly? Welcome to the vibrant world of Thai slang expressions. These colorful phrases go beyond words, conveying emotions and meanings in ways that formal language sometimes can't. Let's dive in and discover why mastering Thai slang can make your conversations richer and more authentic. Learning a new language is tough, right? Especially when you want to sound natural and not like a textbook. Many language learners struggle with this. You know the words, you understand the grammar, but something's still missing. It's that authentic touch, the local flavor that makes your speech come alive. Imagine trying to express excitement, frustration, or humor without the right tools. It's like painting without colors. This is where Thai slang comes to the rescue. Slang expressions in Thai can add depth and nuance to your communication, allowing you to connect with native speakers on a deeper level. Think of them as shortcuts to the heart of the language. Instead of simply saying you're tired, why not say,
ง่วงแล้ว ง่วงแล้ว
which literally means sleepy already, but is commonly used to convey tiredness in a more expressive way. These phrases aren't just words, they carry cultural contexts and sentiments that make your interactions more meaningful. Let's look at some powerful Thai slang expressions and their cultural significance.
ติ๊งตอง
Mad or crazy. It's a playful term used to describe someone acting silly or irrationally.
ติ๊งตอง
Roughly translates to crazy or silly. It's akin to calling someone a goofball or saying they are acting nuts in English.
ไฮโซ ไฮโซ
High society. Taken from the English phrase, it's used to talk about someone wealthy or from an affluent background.
ส้มหล่น ส้มหล่น
A very poetical slang phrase, Somlon literally means an orange drops, which in Thailand is a good thing if you catch it on the way down. Use this when you've had a bit of luck that you didn't expect.
เมาท์มอย
Is a slang verb for gossiping or talking behind someone's back.
เมาท์
Derived from the English word mouth, meaning to talk or chat.
มอย
A Thai word meaning to chatter or talk. Being filled with joy in the land of smiles isn't as great as it sounds.
จ๋อย
Is actually Thai slang for feeling deflated or dejected. It goes beyond just feeling a bit down, usually implying a sense of sorrow, disappointment, or despondency.
เก็ด เก็ด
So, this one is easy because it is like saying, I get it. When you understand what's going on, this is the word to use. It is used informally to mean understand or comprehend. This term is often used in casual conversations, especially among younger people, to check if someone has grasped what has been said.
เธอเก็ดไหม
Do you get it?
กรอบ
Is a versatile Thai word that has both literal and slang meanings. Literally, it means crispy or framework, but in slang, it indicates someone is financially strained. Similar to the English word broke, it signifies a lack of money and financial difficulty.
ไก่ทอดกรอบ
Crispy fried chicken.
ช่วงนี้ฉันกรอบมาก
These days, I'm really broke.
ขำ
Is like the Thai way of saying, just giggling. It's used to describe something funny. When you add it to the end of a sentence, it means you're not being serious. It's a playful way to show that what you're saying is meant to be taken lightly.
ๆ กิก
Refers to a casual lover or a friend with benefits. It can describe both men and women. This term implies a relationship that is more than friendship, but less committed than a romantic partnership. It's often used to denote someone you have a romantic or physical relationship with, without the expectations of a formal relationship or long-term commitment.
ภาษาดอกไม้
Literally means the language of flowers in Thai. It's a poetic phrase used to describe speaking in a very sweet and romantic manner. When someone is using flower language, they are expressing love and tenderness. This can be endearing, but friends might tease each other for using such dreamy, romantic talk, implying that the person is smitten or in love.
จ๊าบ
Is used to describe something or someone as cool, stylish, or awesome. It conveys a sense of admiration for someone's appearance, behavior, or actions, similar to saying cool or awesome in English. This term can be used for both people and things that are considered impressive or trendy.
แบบจุก
Means a big amount of something. This phrase is used to emphasize that something is available in large quantities or on a large scale. For example, it can describe a lot of food, a big party, or a large amount of money.
ๆ อย่าหาทำ อย่าหาท
That means don't bother doing that or don't even try. It is often used to discourage someone from engaging in a pointless or potentially problematic activity. The expression suggests that the action in question is not worth the effort and may lead to negative consequences.
ำ ปังมาก
Is a Thai slang phrase that can be used to give someone a strong compliment. The word
ปัง
means splendid or outstanding and
มาก
means very or much. When put together,
ปังมาก
means very splendid or extremely awesome.
ฟิน
This word is derived from English word finale. In English, this means the last part of an event, and it is usually the best part and epic, right? So Thai people use
ฟิน
for describing a feeling that is great or feeling awesome.
มโน
Derived from manet, which means to imagine, to fantasize or daydream. It refers to creating imaginary scenarios or making things up, often in a way that is unrealistic or exaggerated.
เพลีย
Literally means exhausted in Thai. However, in slang usage, it extends beyond physical tiredness to express a feeling of being fed up or annoyed, especially with someone's behavior.
ได้อยู่
It's okay, it's all right, or not good but not bad. This expression can also be used when you don't want to give an honest answer.
ใจฟู ใจ
Which means heart, and
ฟู
which means to be filled or to be inflated. Together, they create an expression that describes a feeling of happiness, warmth, and contentment. When someone or something makes you feel good, happy, and warm inside, you can say it makes your,
ใจฟู
meaning it warms your heart or makes your heart feel full and happy.
ลำไย
Which literally refers to the longan fruit, is used metaphorically to describe someone or something that is annoying. For example,
อย่าลำไย
means don't be annoying,
ดีต่อใจ ดีต่อใจ
goes beyond its literal meaning of good for your heart and is used to describe something that makes you feel happy or satisfied emotionally.
พักก่อน พักก่อน
The phrase is commonly used to suggest that someone should calm down, take a break, or not be so intense about something. It can be used in situations where someone is overreacting, stressed, or needs to relax.
ถามใจดู ถามใจดู
This phrase is used to encourage someone to reflect on their true feelings or intuition about a situation. It's similar to saying, follow your heart, or what does your heart say in English. It's often used when someone is unsure or conflicted about a decision and needs to consider their genuine feelings.
จะไปไหนก็ไป จะไปไหนก็ไป
This phrase is used when you want to dismiss someone or tell them to leave you alone in a rather blunt or irritated manner. It implies that you don't care where they go, as long as they leave your presence. What's your favorite Thai slang expression? Share it in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the Thai language and culture. See you next time.